Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Canva not working step by step. If Canva is not loading, keeps freezing, won't open properly, or isn't responding in Google Chrome, this tutorial will help you solve the problem with a few simple methods. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Canva website. If Canva isn't loading correctly, the first thing you should do is refresh the page by clicking the refresh button or pressing F5 on your keyboard. Sometimes a simple refresh can fix temporary loading issues. If the problem still continues, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Google Chrome. From the menu, select Delete Browsing Data. This option helps remove old browser files that may be causing Canva to load incorrectly. When the Delete Browsing Data window opens, make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. These files can sometimes become outdated or corrupted, which may prevent websites like Canva from working properly. After selecting the options, you can clear the browsing data if needed, then restart your browser. Now, open Google Chrome again and visit Canva. Sign in to your account if required, then check whether the website is loading normally. In many cases, clearing the browser cache and refreshing the page solves the problem. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can cause Canva to load slowly, freeze, or display errors. If necessary, reconnect to your network and try opening Canva again. Finally, if Canva opens successfully, try opening one of your designs to confirm that everything is working properly. Your designs should load normally, and you should be able to edit, save, and download them without any issues. And that's it. These are some of the easiest ways to fix Canva not working in Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and technology guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.